We bought this F-body Firebird roller for $1,000, and since then, it's been our project drag car. Now, we ain't made of money around here, so we do everything ourselves. That way we can spend the cash on the parts that matter. I'm Josh, and I like whiskey, and I like going fast. And you're watching High Noon Racing on YouTube. What the hell? What in the world is going on out here? Oh yeah. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're kind of on a mission. We're gonna do something that I've pretty much been dreading, but I think I have some tricks that might help some of you at home that are also building in the dirt or their driveway. Now, if you're in the driveway, you probably won't have to do this step. But if you're in the dirt like me, yeah, this is gonna help you out. So first up, we grabbed some measurements to figure out what kind of boards we're gonna need to throw down. And before all that, we went to our boy Chris's and dug out our old ass transmission jack. I don't know how long it's been sitting out in his yard, but it's definitely showing some wear. So we're gonna hope that that thing still works. But anyways, first up, I'm gonna go grab some plywood. And if they got it, I'll show y'all something that's a little bit on the cheaper side. If you don't need to use a transmission jack, but just want something nicer to lay on than dirt, it's called masonite. It's like masonite board. It's fairly cheap, it's lightweight, and when you're done, you just take it out and lean it up against something. If you don't, these little bastard ants will get up in there. But it is nice to lay on, you can slide around on it, and it works. All right, guys, let's go get us some wood. Alright, y'all, we got our wood. Our wood is our wood, and you know it's good. I just made that up. That was pretty good. Alright, guys, so we got us a challenge. A challenge for sure. We're going to have to get the cherry picker out, pick up the transmission, set it on the tailgate, drag the cherry picker through the yard to the side of the house where the car's at, set it up on some wood so that it can somehow turn, which is going to be really hard because those legs span out a good like 8 feet, and this board's only 4 foot wide, and Torque converter time. Yep, so pretty straightforward. Gonna just kind of fill it. Something's gonna spill out when I go to do this, but it's all right. I just want to have some juices up in there, so that way when she goes up in, she got some juices up in her. Look at that. O'Reilly's put a nice little American flag on there for us. God dang, did they ever. Alright, this should be plenty. Got our O-ring here. Yep, she on. Get that O-ring, get the splines. Get that seal real good. Nothing like some ATF to get your day going. Alright, I'm gonna take this hog. Get up in here. Preparate ourselves. Yep, there she goes. Just me and you, Bubbaloo. Whew. Alright, a couple hours later, had to remove the anti-roll bar and jack up the front higher so that the tranny can clear the rear diff and this cross member. This is the torque arm cross member and drive shaft loop here. My fuel lines and brake lines I left unfinished because I want to get this transmission in, clear what I got to clear, and then route them. Like, they're ran, I just need to move them where they go. But now I need to lower the front back down. This thing is so old and rusted up that I had to get the old vice grips out, start cranking that to angle the front of this down so it can clear under stuff. And now I gotta spend probably another 30 minutes cranking it to level it back out. But I'm gonna drop the front down. That way the engine will be able to mate up. Well, not mate up, but I won't have to jack this up as high. It'll go up in there a little better. That's why I love this jack. You can go down so nice and easy with it. Okay. A lot better. If y'all are wondering what this is, yeah, I know it's red, but this is actually the ground wire that I'm going to be running to the transmission. Give me a second to crank this 9 million times and get this here unit back to level. All right, and we're back. So got it up in there pretty close to where it's gonna go, and the plug is gonna hit right here. So what I'm gonna do is notch all that out. That way we got room, put our plug in and whatnot. If we gotta take more, we'll take more. But I'll start with notching it kind of like that.